Hello. I have a massive crack in the boat. Not done by me. And that's how big it is. So this stuff, use it in equal parts. So one of each. So what they say is you sand it down, put some of that on. Then you finish with that baby. Look at that. Oh. So what that shows, you've got more of an edge then. That's what you have to do. You're actually making the gap bigger. And I used the hacksaw blade to make it bigger. We don't want to make it too big, otherwise it's, you know, a bit over the top. Went a bit bigger there because I missed, started going off. I didn't realise it curved so much. So all this is all sanded down. Flamed. And get some tape either side. Make it about 5 times thick. Because what happens is this starts to run.